Hello YouTube again, this is ZL2RO here. Just doing another quick video using the Digital Modes program WSJT-X version 1.9.0, and it's by K1JT. Currently on the 40 meter band, and over here you can see in one of the screens there's the transceiver I'm using, which is not a very good picture, resolution is rubbish, but hey, gives you the general idea. So that's the ICOM 7300. So I'll go ahead here and enable TX, and here we go. As you can see, the rig is transmitting, running on about 40% power, so not too much power. And let's see what happens. Oh, and of course CQ, don't we? Now we'll try TX on even first. So as you can see up here, there's quite a lot of activity on the band. I'm calling CQ just around here. What we might try and do is give this guy. Oh no, we'll see what happens there. I'll give it a moment. Anyway, I'm quite new to this program, so I do apologise if I'm not explaining things very well. However, it's all a bit of fun, isn't it, with amateur radio? See, there's another ZL station here. Might move in frequency a little bit, eh? Or shall we try and call? Be nice to make a contact in this video. We'll go back just to CQ. As you can see, there is quite a lot of activity on the band. Very surprised that I haven't made contact. Oops, sorry about that. I wish the quality of the video of the transceiver was better, but unfortunately it's not. I don't know if I pan out a bit it gets better, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I know if I go closer it's not so flash, but it gives you the gist of it. Oops. Need to change this. There we go. As you can see, there's quite a lot of different stations around. Whoops, sorry about that. But anyway, I'll say bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like it. Catch you guys later. This is ZL2RO 73.